Hello and welcome. You're watching Royal Ranthambore presents BT Golf. I'm Sakshi Batra and with me somebody very, very special joining right in, Miss Gurpreet Dio. She's the special DG of Punjab Police and she's played the BT Golf tournament today. Warm welcome to you, ma'am, and thank you so much for being with us. How was your game?
My game was excellent today. One of the best rounds which I ever had in my golfing career.
That's wonderful. We are going to be seeing you then at the prize distribution ceremony.
Yeah, I hope so.
Wonderful, ma'am. Tell us about your journey in golf. How did it start, and what pushed you to the game? Being from a profession which is really highly demanding, how did you get onto it?
Yeah, actually, my father was a golfer himself, being in the army, and he represented the services in the nationals when in his time. So we like golfing in our house is like second profession to everybody.
Wow.
So everybody in our house plays golf. So, but I didn't take to golf until I was, about 15 years into policing. So I have taken to golf only for the last 10, 12 years. And I've really enjoyed the game and it has given me something to look forward to each day. So I really love the game and today was a fantastic round and I think it was a very well organized tournament and had a lovely time.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We'd love to have you here. Also, tell us, ma'am, how are you looking at golf from a women's perspective? How more and more women golfers really picking up in numbers? How are how popular is it getting among women?
Yeah, yes, I think it's very popular. I play in the Chandigarh Golf Club and Panchkula Golf Club and the Chandigarh Golf Club and the Tri City in general have lots of women golfers. And increasingly, it's being seen as a sport which is very challenging and which, for women, it gives them time out from their hectic schedule of whether if they are a homemaker or even working women. So in the police, I recently played the All India Police Golf Tournament in Ahmedabad in the Kalhar Blues and Greens course. And we were four women officers in amongst about 100 participants. So four is a small
Very
number,
small number,
but
yeah.
in the previous years it used to be only one or two. So we were very happy this time that there were more participants and we had a regular four ball and we have all had girly fun.
That's
So,
wonderful.
yeah.
But what needs to be done to encourage more women participation, ma'am?
See, I think it is, overall the golf, women are doing well everywhere. So, in the sporting field also, they are doing excellently well. And, it gives them an option and an avenue besides their role in their family, which is a male dominated, scenario where they are doing something for their husband or their sons or their children, looking after the household. So, people should think of it as a wonderful way where women can contribute, they have fun, and add some color to the green golf course.
That's important as well, adding some color because women, wherever they are.
Otherwise, it's a male dominated sport. But of course, internationally, many women play golf and it is increasingly picking up in India. I mean, I've seen a phenomenal number of golfers and they play a good game. They can beat male opponents any day.
Wow, that's wonderful, ma'am. Thank you so much for being with us. It's been a pleasure to speak to you and get such wonderful insights as well. All the very best to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Well, so that was, you heard the special conversation right now going from Royal Ranthambore presents BT Golf. We'll keep getting you all those insights, so stay tuned at Business Today Television to get everything that's buzzing on these fairways and greens of Panchkula Golf Club.